Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking just at noses only. We're going to try to do a bolus nose, a long nose, and a short nose. And so we're going to get started here. And I've already got the faces planned out here or laid out. And what we're going to do here is to do a round nose, like a kind of a Santa nose in a way. And we're going to give this a shot. All right, so we're going to come in here again like we normally would and come in with our U-gouge and create the bridge of the nose. Now we're not going to carve no eyes in this particular setting today, but you'll be able to see. But I did want to put the top lip in and to carve just these features in, but we're going to solely, if that's the right word, to just show you basically different noses there is. All right, now like on Santa's noses and things, it's very round and very soft looking. And so to do that, I take a U-gouge, it's about 1/4 of an inch, sweep on it, and I just start rounding. And keep rounding that because there's no point, there's no peak there. The peak is really soft. And I'm coming underneath. And I'm almost coming and touching the mouth area here. And so I'm gonna have to turn here where I can get to him. And it's not that difficult to do, it just takes a little practice. And so, and these would be like elf, like gnomes or whatever if you'd like. And so that's pretty round. All right, so now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to extend that out just a little bit more, the bridge. All right. And always pay attention where that knife is going. All right, now we need also to put in the nostrils for this guy. But we're going to put in the angel kiss. That might help you there a little bit to see what we're doing here, to kind of get it in the right perspective. All right, so now we're going to turn him upside down to put the nostrils in. And we'll use this cut here, and this gouge, excuse me, for the cut. And come underneath here and remove there. Now we're going to take a V-tool here, and now we're going to connect the wings to the nose, like so. All right, that's kind of a bolus nose right there. So bolus is round-ish, that's the term, I believe. And so again, you can always come in here if you wanted the wings to stand out a little bit more. I take off more underneath here. See how soft that looks compared to a nose up here. And sorry, seen something there I need to take care of. But anyway, so now let's jump down here to, you can see this old long nose. Now, if you ever want to shorten a nose, you think, man, why, that nose is way too long, I don't want that. Well, then just work your way up until the height that the length of the nose you want. So start out long, and if you want to, just cut all this off. And that's the way to get a short nose if you have a long one. All right, so now we're going to take our U-gouge again here. We're going to come in here and we're going to come way down here, and we're going to come right in here and create, again, the bridge of the nose. Okay, coming in here to create the eye plane. Okay, let's clean this side up here a little bit better. All right, so now we're going to extend the facial, the happy lines up into the nose here a little bit. Okay, boy, he's got a long nose. All right, we're going to take off the side here a little bit. And I'm going to straighten things up a little bit by working on the mouth area here just a little bit. And all we're doing, we're not doing anything special here. We just lengthen the bridge of his nose. That's all we did. Come in and put the crook in. Yeah. And get rid of this flare here a little bit. All right, so I'm going to square off the nose here to get a more even look. Okay, so you can kind of see here, and I'm just going to throw this in for kicks and grins, but this is just be your eye right here, of course, and creating. All right, now let's turn him upside down. Let's put in the nostrils. And of course, then we got to put in the angel kiss. Cleaning under the nose a little bit more. All right, well, he's pretty wide nose there at the base and pretty long snout, so but that's the way some are. Okay, now let's jump down here to creating a shorter nose. And again, as I said earlier, if you want a shorter nose, just cut off the bottom part more until it's the appropriate length that you'd like to fit your particular carving that you're doing. Okay, now we're going to come in, just put the hooks in the nose just a little bit. All right, let's soften the smile lines. And just pencil in the eye placement just to show you the upper eyelid. All right, that's a skinny nose. and a short nose. And so again, you can make them as wide as you want or as narrow as you'd like. But so we went from a bolus nose to a long nose to our short nose. And so anyway, that just kind of gives you, you know, the longer nose, you need to make a longer face. And so a smaller face, a shorter nose. And so whether you're doing a Santa or a gnome or anything like that there, around that nose and work on it and just keep practicing. And next thing you know, you'll have a set of nose that you're proud of. And so anyway, until next time, we'll see you soon, and happy carving. Thanks for joining us.